Sanibona bafethu, igama lami nguSanele aka Udonso Wenkabi, sanamukela kwi-Starting 11. Njengamanje nginosbuda libuda our analyst sithi another game another analysis. Sbu hamba kanjani?
Shophu kunjani?
Ku-grand.
Hayi ngimnandi kunjani?
Showcase. Namhlanje bekudlala AmaZulu versus Orlando Pirates the Moses Mabhida Stadium in Durban. So uyibone kanjani igame?
Nginibingelele Themba ukuthi nizothamela kahle le analyst yanamuhla. Sibuda lo buda onibingelelayo analyst engafundile. Ngiyibukile igame beyimnandi kakhulu.
Yeah.
So ke sithi uthi qaphu nje mbijana ama games a previous kwi Orlando Pirates
Versus AmaZulu Suthu.
Versus amanye ama team previous matches.
Strict. Oh,
yeah.
Oh, strict Mamelodi say Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, like 25 November badlale neChippa home game.
Okay.
Where lapho khona bawina 2-0.
Okay.
Yabo. Yeah, uMakgopa 74 minutes la Khalenetin.
Showcase.
Yeah, 90 plus 4 minutes Apolis la Khalenetin. Yabhala 3 points ephakane.
Clean sheet.
Yeah, clean sheet. 29 November babuya neDurban City.
Showcase.
Away game. Baphinda futhi ngalo 2-0. Makgopa 23 minutes la Khala. Yeah.